Good medical morning. This is the Blackhead King with a great medical week in review with tons of popping and some interesting facts. Today we're going to look at some great blackheads and pimple pops from the Instagram page at Greatest Medical. Go ahead and check them out. Put it into your browser, instagram.com/greatestmedical. First, you're seeing a blackhead being removed with a blackhead removal tool, and I'll put a link to my favorite pimple popper kit in the description below. Next up, this is a tummy tightening procedure. It's easier than a tummy tuck. And check this out, it looks like they're using heat to go ahead and tighten the skin around someone's stomach. This next picture just fascinated me, and I know some of you just want to see pimple pops, so stick around, we've got plenty coming up. But this is a cerebellum, which is responsible for your fine motor skills in the brain. Not quite hyperdontia, this person has a malalignment of their teeth. You think braces are going to fix this? Or will they just need to get a few of their teeth pulled? It's incredible to see. I'm impressed and glad that I don't have this bite. And next up is a fan submission. If you're interested in providing your fan submissions, go ahead and email us. It's allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. While you're watching, go ahead and click subscribe. And here's a fun fact, I never really wanted to be called the Blackhead King. It was just a channel name, and people started leaving comments to the Blackhead King, which I assume they're talking to me. And stick around, we have one more pimple pop and a great weight loss photo coming up, as well as some comedone extractors. And congratulations on this amazing weight loss set of photos. If you're looking to lose weight for the summer, check out Thinnergy. I'll also put a link in the description below. So here is another face pimple being popped, a big blackhead, which may be a dilated pore of Weiner. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you a clip of Alexa Collins who lost weight with Thinnergy. She's in a bikini, and some people think that the clip is offensive because she's not wearing enough clothes. Leave your comments below. Is it offensive to you? I want your honest opinion. When it comes to pimple popping, both Watson and I use this 7-piece kit. It ships out of the USA, out of Florida, it's hand inspected, and it's the highest quality kit money can buy. Individual tools like this from Dr. Sandra Lee sell for $20 each. You get the whole pack for $15 with free Amazon Prime shipping. So go ahead and check it out. There's a link in the description below. Pick it up today.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinnergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.